I've decided to do 2 side dishes because they just go hand in hand with any Christmas dinner. As you've seen just the other day, I did the scallop potatoes, and we're going to finish up the week with a really quick, easy recipe for maple glazed carrots. This is so quick, so easy to do, and they taste amazing. So we start with a foil lined pan. I personally love the silicone pans, so most of mine are. Some of these are store-bought carrots mixed in with, I used up all of our little guys out of the garden. We're kind of saving the nice ones for the real Christmas dinner. But you just basically chop them into kind of, they're not bite-sized, but little fingers basically is what you want. And then we take our maple syrup. You have 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup and 1/4 of a cup of golden sugar, brown sugar, whatever you prefer. And you're just going to kind of whisk those together. Hopefully it will whisk relatively easy. It basically makes like a thick syrup. I don't know. It's like a custardy kind of. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to get most of the brown sugar clumps out of there. So there's that part. Basically, you just take good old butter. Everything's better with butter. And you're just going to put some on here to bake with it. You want to use roughly 1/4 of a cup on top of about 2 pounds of carrots. So that's looking pretty darn good to me. So we have those on there. Now we just take our syrup mixture. This is going to look like candied goodness. And we're just going to drizzle that on there. Just like so. Kind of mash it all in there. This will go into a caramelized, beautiful mess. Scrape all that goodness out. And as always, a little salt and pepper, maybe pepper, and some sea salt. And that goes into the oven. You want it at 400 degrees, and you want to cook that for about 25 minutes. Now, that will vary depending on the size you've cut your carrots, so definitely kind of watch it. You don't want to overcook these, as it will end up a burnt, crusty mess on the bottom and probably not taste as good as if we had watched it. So we'll pop those into the oven now, and we'll take a look at them when they come back out. Our maple glazed carrots are all finished up and plated for dinner tonight. It is time for Chris and I to eat scallop potatoes, maple roasted veggies, and tonight we're having shake and bake partridge chanticleer legs, thighs, whatever.